This is Bye Bye Money, and today is January 15th, 2021, and welcome to my live trading journal with live commentary, scalping the ES using only one setup, the two-legged pullback. And if you've been here a couple times or you find this video helpful, click like and subscribe. That helps our channel a lot here. It also helps the two-legged pullback community a lot. And so I would appreciate it if you guys did that for our channel here. So yeah, if you enjoy the free content that's being produced here with two-legged pullback and trading, then yeah, helps us a lot. The two-legged pullback, if you do not know what it is a setup that looks like this. One pullback, first entry, second pullback, and we like to enter into here the second entry. And also, the other way, we also call an ABC pattern, A, B, C, and we like to enter in once the market reverses right here. And so the second entry is found after two pushes up or two pushes down. And the reason why it's such a high probable trade is because when the market tries to do two things at something and fails, it typically reverses. And so we like to find this setup in key areas such as trend lines, support resistance, and the moving averages. So this is my live trading journal using this setup, and my goal is to make $500 a day, but by no means is, do I have to stop at 500, nor do I have to make 500. The main goal is actually to be profitable, and to do that, you take the best setups possible. I actually made only one trade today, and it was in the last 30 minutes of trading, and I recorded it here, but if you go ahead, you can check it out, stick around. Also, if you'd like to know more information about the two-legged pullback or this indicator that I have that basically counts legs and identifies second entry. So this setup here, this indicator with all these numbers and boxes show you when this setup happens, the two-legged pullback. And so, for instance, with the green, dark green, or dark red numbers, for instance, here's one. You have an ABC pattern, and you have a dark red one here, showing you that this is the beginning of the second entry of the two-legged pullback. You have an ABC pattern right there. And so this indicator automatically identifies all those. And if you'd like more information about that, go ahead and check out the official website at www.twoleggedpullback.com. And yeah, and if you want to see the trades, stick around, and hope you guys enjoy. And as always, happy trading and God bless. Alright, last 30 minutes of trading here. Extremely busy today. Finally get a chance to look at the charts. Updating this channel here. We're just bouncing between this range. I wouldn't be surprised if we come halfway up, and if we make a two-legged pullback here, it might be a good trade. $3.5. Well, to answer that question, I made the scalp right away. A good signal bar, I guess. That was a good signal bar. I made a scalp so quick. Alright. So the midway point, two-legged pullback. I don't know. My guess, breakdown now. Attempt to go up, but couldn't go halfway, and it's getting bought up right away at this trend line. What I would need is something like this. A, B, C. The market has to come down, decisively break down. Give me a two-legged pullback up here. somewhere, and I'll be willing to go down, go short. Something like that. Okay, I'm looking for a two-leg pullback now. Looks something like this. A, B, C. But the one-legged pullback might start the downtrend here. We are in a clear downtrend now, in my opinion. Unfortunately, we're probably not going to get our two-legged pullback, but we can hope and we can anticipate it. Most likely this is going to just keep falling from here. Made it. Yep, so we lost our two-legged pullback on the other side because this candle broke the previous pivot low, so the count resets. That's why we see a 1 here. Might be interested in a trap. If it breaks up, they might be interested in a trap here. Trap. Perfect scalp is here, not a trap. I may consider it perfect scalp. Perfect scalp means that it made exactly 5 ticks, trapping some traders. Essentially can act as a trap here. I'm going to go on this perfect scalp. Just because I think we're in a confirmed breakdown now. And then I should have a runner. And this runner might go far. We need the trigger first. Perfect scalp is gone. No longer interested in this trade. Still have a chance to make a two-legged pullback, but is it possible? We have a two-legged pullback here now. A, B, C, potential two-legged pullback. If this breaks a previous pivot low, which is right here, then the count resets and we won't have our two-legged pullback anymore. But if it stays above this pivot low and creates a swing high here, or a bull swing, then we have a two-legged pullback waiting for us. Two-legged pullback still in play. Still in play, as long as it doesn't break below the pivot low. Almost triggered it. Almost triggered the bull leg for vertical pullback. Unfortunately, it didn't trigger it, so we have no play here yet. Okay, we got it. So this is our two-legged pullback play. We're waiting for it to break previous candle's low. And it's a terrible signal board right now, but the context is way too good. So we're going to take this trade here. And this might create a really big swing. I might swing the entire position here. I'm going to swing the entire position and see how far we can take it. I'm going above the previous pivot high. So that's why I moved my stop up. And we're going to see if we can do an entire swing here. Typically how it's done with a swing is you get the risk times 2, which is right here. So I think this is going to swing hard. We're going to swing our entire position here. And you might say, oh, Mac doesn't do that. Yeah, he does not do that. Al Brooks does this. He will swing entire position if he sees a good setup here. And if this is a bona fide breakdown, then we have a good swing setup here. Going 2 times my risk for my swing. I'll let this ride till my target's hit. This is just for risk times 2. Just make sure the reward is double my risk here. gonna just hold on to this position till market close or until it hits my target here. Could be for the next 15 minutes or so. Right, gonna protect break even at least here. Still waiting patiently for it to hit my target. Currently it's a risk-free trade, but I might want to start protecting some profits here, seeing it's almost end of day. I think I'll start protecting profits on the next reversal here. All right, just protecting my profits for whatever reversal happens. Still in this trade. Still in this trade. swinging the entire position here. Just seeing the breakdown here. Two-legged pullback, and it just struggled to get back up to that previous pivot way up here. Still in this trade actually. Sitting comfortably in it. Basically no risk. My only loss is, you know, the bar, the current bar that's being formed. If it spikes down, I might consider stopping out here. Still have my target. Almost hit my target here, but also protecting my profits here as best as I can. One tick away. I knew that was gonna happen. People are front running it, one tick. It's annoying. Come down. Missed my target by one tick here. It's all good. We'll take this. I'm fine with this plus 6 point profit here. Still have a chance to hit my target. It's right there. I think I should just hit this. I'll be patient. I'm okay with losing this. 3 ticks. Alright. Oh, it's gonna hit my target now after stopping me out. And yep, hits my target perfectly. That's annoying, but that's how it goes. Alright, that was it. One trade, just waited for a very long time, and not to the very end of the day. Swung the whole position that time. Have a good weekend, and as always, happy trading. God bless.